I'm just about to trim my hair because I'm currently 8 weeks post relaxer. The last time I relaxed my hair was like about 2 months ago. Yeah, 8 weeks if I'm right. So I have a lot of new growth underneath, and then I just decided to, you know, take a pair of scissors and just give myself a little trim because the hair seems quite bushy and I love to play with my hair. That's one of the like perks of having, personally for me, of having Pixie. I think you can just play around with it, especially now we're still stuck at home. Hairdressers aren't working yet, so I just go in with a pair of scissors and then just trim here and there before I proceed to relaxing the hair. So for today's touch-up, I'll be going in with the ORS olive oil relaxer, and this is in a normal strength. So basically I mix the activator and then the cream, if that's what it's called. I mix both up together, but I take half of it because I found out that most times when I mix the whole thing I end up wasting it. So I just take about half or slightly more than half and then mix it together with the activator, and then I apply this all over my hair, and then I store the rest of the relaxer for the next touch-up. So when I'm done with the application, I go in with my fingertips to make sure that the relaxer like gets into my hair properly. So I just massage my entire hair, making sure that there's relaxer, you know, distributed everywhere. And then when I'm done with my fingers, I go in with a small comb and further like comb the hair to make sure that like the relaxer gets into every single strand, and then there's no new growth left unattended to. After the application, I let the relaxer sit on my hair for quite a while. I think it was about 15 minutes or thereabout. Then after which I washed the hair and conditioned it. So to wrap my hair, I go in with the Cream of Nature Style and Shine Foam Mousse, and then I just apply this onto my entire hair. Did I say to wrap or to mold? And yeah, just before I mold it, I'm not doing any special, you know, designs or any waves or whatsoever. It's just something simple. I'm just going to do a simple mold, and then I go in with this Rapid style strip, and then I use this to wrap my hair. Just before I call it a night, I used about 3 strips, yes, to wrap my hair, and then I went in with the, what do you call this, the yellow velcro wrap, just further to secure my hair because I was just about to go to bed. Then finally I used the brown head scarf or head wrap to wrap my hair, and then call it a night. It's morning time to unravel the hair. So why I like to do this like nighttime, why I like to do my mold at night is because I do not have like you know, all those big hair dryers, and I don't like to use my hand dryer because it hurts my hand. So I find out that like going to bed with the scarf like this, like with the mold and the scarf and everything, keeps my hair in place, and yeah, and at least it saves my hair from the extra heat that I would have subjected it to. Before I begin styling the hair, I go in with the OGX Argan Oil of Morocco. This is a sort of serum, and I like to use it all over my entire hair, and I also like to use it on my weaves because this is, I haven't seen, you know, that serum that's as lightweight but makes the hair glossy, if you know what I mean. Like, it doesn't leave your hair greasy, so it's my go-to hair serum. So I just applied this onto my palm and then distribute it to my entire hair. To curl my hair, I'll be going in with this pencil straightener. It's from Walls, and I think I bought it on Amazon. I had a little straightener before, but you know, it's those travel types, and it was like when it gets hot it would like burn my hand, so I had to replace it with this one. This is a really good one. And then I'm just styling, basically curling but not giving the hair tight curls. So I'm just doing this first on the sides of my hair, and honestly, I could have even used the regular hair straightener that I have, but yeah, I'm just using this one because my hair is really grown. I didn't know it would be as long as this, but yeah, I'm basically curling the hair in no particular order. At this point, I decided to change the hair straightener to a medium-sized hair straightener because this part of my hair is quite long, so I didn't honestly need to use the pencil straightener. So I'm just curling my hair towards my right hand side. So I'm done curling my entire hair, and now I'm just going in with my fingers to sort of loosen up the curls, because yeah, I just want the curls to be tight. Then I take this little comb and then brush the front a bit, and then I also use the tail of this little comb to further loosen the curls. For the sides and the edges, I go in with this styling wax. It's I think it's from Care, and I just use this to lay the sides of my hair and the edges as well. So I'm done with my makeup. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below. And yes, I also created a video on this look, guys, so do check it out. And then if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe, like, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.